Okay, so patuloy tayo sa ating pag-aaral. If the sum of the measures of the angle is 90 degrees, then the angle are called complementary. No? So, complementary angles. Then, yung pangalawa naman, if the sum is 180 degrees, then the angles are called supplementary angles. So, madali salita, what is important is if the sum is 90, then complementary. If the sum is 180, that is supplementary. So, madali na lang nating maintindihan. So, katulad nito, kunwari, we have here in what we call in the first sabihin na lang natin quadrant. And we have here O to C, O to B, and O to A. Then, from the angle from OC going to OB is 25 degrees. Then, from OB to OA, so the angle is 65 degrees. So, the angle AOB is 65. Then the angle BOC is 25. The total of this is 90 actually, no? Kung ating i-add. So therefore, the sum of AOB and the angle BOC is 90. Therefore, they are complementary angles. Ibig sabihin, ito siya complementary sa 25 and 25 is complementary to 65. Because when you add the angle, it will give you 90 degrees. So meaning, ito dito, papunta dyan is 90 degrees. Yan. No, the total is 90 degrees. So, that is the concept of complementary angles. Basta pag idagdag mo sila ay 90 degrees, so they are complementary angles. Now, how about the other one? Ang sabi dito, the sum is 180. So, ibig sabihin, pag 180 ang total, they are called supplementary. Okay, so example natin, kunwari dito daw, O, B, let's say, or B, O, C. A, O, B is 140 degrees and B, O, C is 40 degrees. Then if you add 140 and 40 is 180 degrees. So 180 na kaagad. So therefore, from here going to that direction is 180 degrees. So since we have two angles here, and these two angles, if you add, sabi nga dito, this is 180 degrees. Once na ito i-add mo 180, ang tawag na daw natin, ito ay supplementary angles. So, ang 40 is supplementary to 140 and 140 is supplementary to 40 because when you add these two angles, it will give you equal to 180 degrees. So, madali lang So, ibig sabihin, yan lang ang bantayan natin. Kung ang dalawang angle, ang total ay 90, then complementary. Pag ang dalawang angle, ang total ay 180, then supplementary. Okay. So, clear na tayo dyan. Okay, punta na tayo sa Pythagorean theorem. Actually, this is a theorem developed by Pythagoras, a Greek mathematician, no? Siya ang nag-develop nito. Ang sabi niya, dito sa kanyang discovery, sabi niya, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of A and the square of B. So A and B are the legs or the what we call side. The square daw nito saka yung square nito. So ibig sabihin A squared, B squared, no, ay equal daw sa C squared. No? So yan daw ang kanyang pinakitang konsepto, no? So therefore, based on that, we were able to consider the right triangle. Now, the right triangle kasi 90 degrees ito. Pag sinabing right triangle, 90 degrees. Ang isa sa angle ay 90 degrees. Pag isa sa angle ay 90 degrees, therefore that is a right angle. Okay. So, kung lalagyan natin dito ng complementary angle also, if we have alpha, then we have gamma. No? So, meaning to say, may angle dito that is the complementary angle, because the sum of these two is 90 degrees. Yan po ang sinabi dito, no? Okay. So, from that, atin nga ngayon ma-develop ang Pythagorean theorem. Siya ang nag-develop nito. At tayo naman ang nakinabang kasi ngayon alam na natin. Siya ang naghirap, tayo naman ngayon ang gumagamit. Kasi napaka-importante ito, lalo na sa tinatawag nating trigo. So, ang A squared daw plus B squared is equals to C squared according to Pythagoras. And from that, na-develop na natin ang value ng C by considering what we call the radical sign here to eliminate the square of C. No? Then, makuha na natin ang C by applying the formula A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. Yan yon. But since we wanted to get the value of C, that's why we apply the radical sign here. Meaning to say, we need to get the square root of the sum. Okay, so para makuha natin ang C. And from that also, kung ang unknown daw ay A, gamitin daw natin itong formula na to, C squared minus B squared or equal to square root of C plus B times C minus B. Okay? Then, B is equals to square root of C minus C squared minus E squared. Then, we have square root of C plus A times C minus A. So, yung process na ito, bakit nagkaganito, doon natin yan maunawaan sa algebra. No? Sa algebra. Doon natin makikita ang mga proseso nito. Kaya, tingnan din ninyo yung mga vlog natin sa algebra kasi dinidiscuss natin ang mga processes. Ngayon, nasa trigo tayo. Okay, apply na natin. Example daw. Find the hypotenuse C if A is 4 and B is 3. So, kunwari, ito yung ating triangle. So, ang A daw natin ay 4. Okay? Parang baliktad, ano? Okay. Anyway, that is the figure. So, 4 ito, mas mahaba, supposedly. Okay. So, A is 4 and B is 3. Therefore, we have to find what is the value of C. Dito natin gagamitin ang Pythagorean theorem. So, sabi sa Pythagorean, c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. Then, applying now the formula, ito yung formula na to. So, a squared, 3 squared, and 4 squared. Ang total niyan, therefore, ang square root of 9 plus 16. So, kung i-add natin ang 9 plus 16, it will give us 25. So, therefore, c is the square root of 25. So, the square root of 25 is 5. Therefore, ang ating C is 5. No? So, ito siya equal to 5. O, di nakuha na natin by using Pythagorean. Alam na natin ngayon kung ano ang hypotenuse sa right triangle